Hello there. In this video, I will discuss about what is ChatGPT, right? Since the OpenAI released its blockbuster bot ChatGPT in 13 November 2022, the tools has sparked ongoing casual experiments, including some by reporter trying to simulate news stories or message potential dates. OpenAI chief Sam Altman said on Twitter, ChatGPT launched on Wednesday. Today, it's crossed 1 million users. Really awesome. Altman told Musk average is probably single digit percent. Trying to figure out more precisely and also how we can optimize. So ChatGPT are powered by large amount of data and computing technique to make predictions about stringing words together in a meaningful way. ChatGPT can be used to write and edit letters, memos, stories, journals, among other via human prompt. It currently responds to prompt in the English language but can translate write-up in the other language into English. Similarly, other tech companies like Google and Meta have developed their own large language model tools, which use programs that respond to human prompts and devise sophisticated responses. OpenAI is a revolutionary move, also created a user interface that is letting the general public experiment with it directly. The chatbot currently uses technology like Google Dialogflow, another large language model tool. Also, ChatGPT is coming for classroom, hospital, marketing department, and everything else as the next great startup boom emerges. It has been reported that a Princeton student Bill F, which can detect if ChatGPT wrote an essay to combat AI-based plagiarism. You can access ChatGPT simply by visiting openai.com or chat.openai.com and creating an OpenAI account. You can use ChatGPT to start chatting after login. Ask a question is a wonderful approach to start a conversation. You can use ChatGPT for free and as many times as you like because it's still in the research stage. How does ChatGPT work? With an understanding of what is ChatGPT, let's explore how it works. At its foundation, ChatGPT is a ChatGPT 3 and ChatGPT 3.5 based large language model. This AI tool applies machine learning algorithm to a massive corpus of text to response to user requests using large that sound surprisingly like human. According to OpenAI, ChatGPT enhances its capacity through reinforcement learning, which depend on human feedback. The business hire human AI trainers to interact with the model while assuming the rules of both a user and a chatbot, right? So trainers compare response given by ChatGPT to human replace and grade their quality to reinforce like human conversation approach. Hope do you understand what is ChatGPT and how ChatGPT are work. Thanks for watching this video.